Good afternoon, my name is Mark Crawford. This is my 5-minute video presentation. I wanted to start off this presentation by showing where I found my dataset. I found it on Kaggle.com. It is a movie database or dataset of 5,000 movies. Someone screen scraped IMDb's database and pulled information from the social media accounts of each movie, actor, and director. And we're going to go into that a little bit. I used the application Tableau to analyze my data. What I really wanted to focus on, at least what I learned in class, and what I really wanted to expand on, was the investigative nature of data science. I found it very interesting, the graphs of the O-rings for the space shuttles that had been shown, and how had they taken a closer look at the data and really transformed it a little bit, they may have avoided the terrible tragedy that happened. So I wanted to kind of apply that investigative nature to look into this data set. So I'll go ahead and start off by showing my story here. In Tableau, you have worksheets that are turned into interactive dashboards, and from there the dashboards create the stories that you're trying to tell with the data. So the question that I really posed was, do social media likes make a better movie? And I posed that because social media is really the cultural implementation of, the software implementation of our culture. It is used to rank and level interest our society has in a particular field or area or subject matter. Therefore, I wanted to ask the question, can the number of social media likes really determine the quality of a movie? So I took the dataset provided on Kaggle.com and I generated a story to show the correlation of movie likes to the IMDb score. So when we first take a look here, you can see at the top I have a summation of all of the aspects of a movie that are recorded in social media in terms of different actors, different directors, and the movie itself. So this is a summation of these three right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at each worksheet individually. So we have the actor likes here. And when you first take a look at the data, you can't really see much of a strong, maybe there's a weak correlation or regression line that would run through here. There's not really, it's not substantially shown. The same thing kind of happens with the director like. So you look and you can see that maybe something would run up through here, but then there's this wide gap, a large chunk of data up here, so it's not as clear. And then when we look at the movie likes, you can see it has a not as clear, but fairly strong positive correlation between the number of movie likes and the IMDb score. So that gives us indication that this is clear, and that the director likes and the actor likes are not very clear. Now we can see that the trend line, while it does appear from the R-squared to fit the data, the mean squared error on it is extremely high. And so we can see that while this regression line may show the correlation, if we were to attempt to build some sort of model that would predict the IMDb score of a movie solely based on social media likes, the chances are is that it would not be very accurate. And this has been my 5-minute presentation. Thanks for watching.